I've been blessed up, I've been broke down. Gotta catch up, gotta shine now. Running faster, I can't slow down.
Hello everyone. In today's video, it's too hot with these windows up. In today's video, we're going to be doing a few projects, DIY projects from the dollar store. So right now,
it's actually the Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree, they both $1.
Obviously, she can't do an intro. So if you go online, this is where we got all, well, most of the stuff on their website at dollartree.com, and they have DIY and craft section. Didn't know that.
Link in the description.
A link in the description of everything that we decided to make today. So if you are into that type of stuff, subscribe, like this video. Let's go. For one of our DIYs, we need candles. Yeah. So they have all different kinds of candles. Plum. We want a fall scent one. Peaches.
No, it was the pumpkin one.
Ooh, those might be.
Applewood maybe.
If you guys want to make your own scented candles, get unscented candles and then get
I tried to make this in ceramics and it didn't work.
Oh, I love the dollar store. That's why we had to make a list, because if I just come in here without a list, I'm gonna shop the whole store. So we're still getting stuff. Jada is gonna help us make this stuff, but she's at work right now. We're gonna do that, and then it's gonna be great. Who keeps saying, are you serious? Like, are you serious, Rich?
Guys, dollar store, sponsor us. You guys have fake sand? Are you serious? Like, literally, you guys are coming up. We come up here all the time, so it's only right for you to sponsor us. So sponsor us at Dope Christian TV. Email us at dopechristiantv@gmail.com.
It's actually dopechristians@gmail.com.
Dopechristians@gmail.com. It's okay. We're still in the same name. So please sponsor us, because we'll be great sponsors. Okay? Appreciate you.
Sorry for the bad quality. We had to switch to the phone because
it don't look bad.
Camera died. I mean, yeah, it's not that bad.
So that means we are
glitter glue. You see that? It's already glitter glue, so you can just activate that. Peeps. Oh, so many crafts. Love the crafts. Oh, look, this model clay.
What is first time?
No, just clay. And it put dough in the bag now.
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Is that everything on the list?
Yeah, it was just the glue.
Are you sure? Let me see the list.
Oh, we need the mat.
Right, because you didn't even.
I checked it off. Okay.
How'd I know you didn't?
I don't know, but it's it's probably
because
great
I know
that you
you
asked again. That's what siblings are for. What direction?
Left. All the way at the baby. We're gonna grab a mat. Get the dark one. Oh, it's smaller too, so that'll work. I'm actually like low-key excited about this craft. It's gonna be $15 for 3 crafts. That's not bad. So we'll see you when we get home. We're back home. We have our arts and crafts shirts on. Well, I mean, it's gonna be arts and crafts shirt today. Right. We have 3 crafts that we're gonna be doing. So the first one is, we have the rocks, as you've seen. They're just black rocks. 3 of those. Then we have a mat, and we're gonna make a spa rock mat. And then it can be used, it's like a bath mat, so when you get out the shower, you can just step on it. Boom, so we're gonna hot glue those onto the bath mat in this quick, simple craft. Then we have 2 unscented candles, like I showed in the video. And then we're gonna use fragrant oil. This is coconut and citrus. And then we have the apple cinnamon wax melts. So we're gonna try to mix this with the unscented, like melt this and mix it in there. Oh god, it smells like fall. So we can get that apple cinnamon scent. Jordan's gonna show you the last craft. Okay, so basically what we're gonna do for this one is we're gonna basically make a lantern, but it's gonna consist of 4
individual frames. But what we're going to do is we're going to make it into a lantern by connecting these two with a hot glue gun.
We're going to take, London. So we're going to go. So we're going to take the in a candle, put it in the boiling water, and let it melt, and then we're going to put the scent inside. So we're going to show you that.
Hey everyone, we're back. If you hear the noise, it's the candles melting in the pot. So
rattling.
The next project we're going to start is the spa mat because it's going to take the longest out of the three to do. Should we just cut one?
So it is fully melted. Oh, as you can see, as the camera gets foggy. So I'm gonna turn the heat off, and then we're gonna move it to a cutting board and let it cool down for a sec. Shaving that in there, we didn't really get that out. Probably can melt it, but
Yeah, look, it's changing the color. Messy.
me and Jordan's gonna work on the lantern. So we took the backs out of each frame, and you know the little push pins? You're supposed to glue the glass to the, oh, you broke that.
I didn't break it, it broke.
You broke it.
I didn't break it.
So we just use the push pins to make sure that the glass doesn't fall out the frame.
You should probably be careful. Are you gonna break the glass for the lantern?
It's been 8 minutes, bro. Look, look at you.
Well, get down. No, you're being mad.
Look at you.
No,
baby.
she's bad.
She said she wanted to do the activity. She wasn't playing.
Okay, so we have partially finished all of the 3 projects that we've done. So the candles that we made ourselves, they are pretty good. This is the apple cinnamon candle that we put into the candle. That is the coconut citrus candle that we made.
Just make sure the string is still sticking out, or you can dig to get it. So this is the lantern that we made with the 4 picture frames, and then we put a candle that we already had, and then we just put it inside here like that.
And you can smell it better. That's a hack if you want to smell your candle. What did I make?
Spa bath mat.
A spa bath mat that I won't lift all the way.
We
disregard fold.
We no. We needed probably like 2 more bags. What did we have 3?
Yep.
We had 3 bags, but I think we needed 2 more bags.
Okay.
Yeah, make sure you do a lot of hot glue.
Thank you guys so much for watching our DIY video. We hope you enjoyed it and will likely try any of these beautiful creations.
Right. Thanks again, Dollar Tree, for not sponsoring this video.
Maybe you should.
Maybe you should at this point.
Right. So, with all that being said, we'll see you on Tuesday. Stay blessed and stay lit.
Bye.